Assalamu alaikum. IELTS reading is a hard nut to crack for, I guess, no less than 95% of the crowd who is appearing in IELTS exam. But we can make this hard nut a piece of cake by following certain strategies. Cambridge Language Council is teaching strategic IELTS to all its students. Instead of wasting your time in first of all handedly doing it and then randomly attempting IELTS reading test, I'll suggest you to join Cambridge Language Council. If you have already appeared in exam, got less score, or are afraid of IELTS reading or IELTS, join us to do strategic